Hey Gators! Google Calendar is one way that you can stay organized, and every student has access. When you're logged into your student account, next to your initials, you will see the menu of Google Apps. So you click on that and then find the multicolored Google Calendar icon. Click on that and it will open up a calendar for you. From there, you can add any kind of task so that you make sure you stay organized. You can use it to keep track of due dates. You can use it to plan to go to Gatorade, study for AP Bio, go to office hours with a specific teacher. To add something, you just click in the time slot and it will open up. You can retake quiz. You can color code so that things stand out based on different classes or different levels of importance to you. So good luck and have a strong start to your quarter.